Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, so we talked about yesterday being about whether or not the bulls had follow-through. They had some follow-through. Well, first of all, they defended the areas that they had to defend yesterday. Then they got up and over the top of weekly pivot. They converted weekly pivot, and so now, I mean, the rally is on. The band ride is over. We didn't engage the band yesterday. We're above the 9-day. I mean, we are still, there's still a lot of distance between price and some pretty key metrics. You've got the daily mid-band is up at 89. The 200-day is up in the area of 27.19. So this is a rally that was, that was gonna, it was coming. I mean, I talked about this a couple days ago. We were completely out of the lane as far as where we were trading. We were trading well below even things like the 45-day pivot, even things like extension levels from the 45-day pivot. We were due to bounce. Whether that was going to be a one-day wonder or have some follow-through, that's what yesterday was about. And you can see that they defended the roundy, and now we've traded as high as 25.19 quarter. So as you look on the hourly chart, you can see 23.16 from Tuesday. The higher low, the key low for me is here at 23.45 half. That was the area that really had to be defended yesterday. They took a look. They tried yesterday, couldn't do any better than the round number. So they defended 2400 after they really kind of chopped it and tried to push it down late in the day, and then you had a very big finish up into the area of weekly pivot. What they were able to do over the course of Globex is convert weekly pivot to support, and then you get your higher high. So it's been building since that Sunday night, or not I want to say Sunday night. It wasn't Sunday night. It was a Christmas night overshoot of just about everything to make a very thin low down at 23.1675, and they've been building off that ever since. Okay, great. So what happens today? We're in week, we're in the mode where we are protecting weeks and months and years. We ended up, we were short into the moves down yesterday, 3 or 4 times, and then we caught the flip to the long, not at the bottom. I never try to catch a low in these kinds of markets because we are certainly trend down on any longer metric. So after it had built up a little bit and showed us the areas that it really wanted to defend to support, which happened to be 34, 33, 32. We ended up long 33, finished the day, with a 60 handle move that we punched out of. I felt good taking 60 on the runner. I could have taken a lot more. But I will never, I'll never argue about jumping out in situations like that. So 80 handle day to go with 100 handle Wednesday. It's just been a great big week. We did 43 on Christmas Eve. So long story short, we're coming into today, and as long as the market behaves itself, and that means I want to see it respect the hourly mid band. I want to see it respect weekly pivot. I want to see it continue to make higher highs if I'm going to be long. If we got the end of the line here at some point, if this is another bear market rally, and it is a bear market rally, if it's another bear market rally, this is a bear market rally. I've seen a lot of things, but what I haven't seen was what happened yesterday at the open. I have not seen plus 500, 502 to be exact, on the AD at one close. And then basically within 30 minutes of the next open, we trade to negative 500. Never seen that before. So, I mean, there are some gigantic gaps in this market. There is some whip. There are a lot of very big cross currents going on. So, if we're not able to catch those successfully, we may not trade much today. It's Friday. We're open all day Monday, but you're coming into the new year, and we certainly got nothing to prove today. If the bulls are going to be in something actionable, you need to see hourly mid-band hold. You need to see the weekly pivot hold. If I'm going to be short for something that's going to work, then the bears are going to have to take back the roundy there at 2,500. They're going to have to make a move down to weekly pivot, and they're going to have to win that battle. If they do, then the air can come out down to 60 pretty easily. And if you win that battle, then you start to wonder whether it can go back to 20. But like I said, all I concentrate on is the next 5-10 handles in front of us. It's been very, very successful for us. You know, I'll let everybody else pontificate about targets up and targets down while we, you know, book handles, you know, hopefully every day. Not every day, but, you know, just about every day for our subscribers. That's all I got. Watch the roundy. Watch 20, 25, 20. Watch 24.82. That's going to tell you where we want to go. So everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with some stuff on social. Check all that out. Come check us out. Love to meet you. It's been a great year. We're heading into 2019. 2019, this volatility is just going to keep up. It's just going to keep up. 2019 is where all of 2018's chickens come to roost, in my opinion. You know, come trade it with a great group of people. We would love to meet you, and I know you'll like what you find. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. If you're done for the year, have a happy new year, and we'll catch you in 2019. Take care. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.